So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can capture a photo from the video on any iPhone that you have. For example, if you have recorded a video, now you want a photo from that particular video, you just simply need to open the Photos apps, open that particular video and select the frame that you want to capture as a particular photo. For example, if I select this frame, now just simply press on the empty space and you'll notice that the control centers will disappear. Now take a screenshot. Once you take a screenshot right there, you'll notice, click on the screenshot option right there. Now simply crop the screenshot, where you'll see the necessary frame will appear, and hit done. Now you'll notice is hit on save to photos. Now you have that particular frame as a photo. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.